Project management is an awesome career with high salaries and plenty of variety at work, but it's also a demanding job. Project management is one of the most dynamic professions. If you are wondering how an individual climbs the corporate ladder in project management and reach to executive or director level, then you have come to right video. Hi, my name is VJ, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn about the corporate ladder of project management career. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. The corporate ladder is the proverbial climb up of a company's employment hierarchy. The career advancement is like climbing rungs on a ladder, propelled by individuals' desire to move up the corporate ladder. It starts with entry-level employees, moves up to managers and vice presidents, and finally, to executives and board of directors. Basically, climbing the ladder is for increasing job satisfaction and salaries. Entry-level positions are considered the bottom of the ladder, while upper management and executives are at the top. So, let's start with bottom of ladder. That is basically the starting point of anyone's project management career. It all starts with working in a supporting role. Educational background may range from a high school diploma to advanced degrees in their technical specialty, with experience ranging from 0 years to decade long. They report directly to the managers above them. In project management career path, the very first rank from bottom is of project administrator. Sometimes this position is also known as project coordinator. Main job of these role is to facilitate the coordination and expedite the fast information sharing between functions. Next hierarchy comes for document controller, who is responsible for management of all documents related to project. Moving up, next position is for project scheduler and planner. They are basically responsible for defining and timing all the project work related activities. These roles are critical role for developing project management plan. Then the engineers and technicians are placed. They ensure that all the technical and project engineering works are completed on time. Next come the project controller, who check that all the project work is progressing as per plan, and recommend corrective action for any changes. After that type of group hierarchy changes. This leads to middle management roles. In terms of hierarchy from bottom, this starts with project planning manager who ensure the project schedule and plans are up to date. Then comes the project engineering manager, who ensure all the engineering work are done as per the project requirements. Next place is for procurement manager, who ensures the requires material and resources are delivered to team when needed. Next role is project control manager, or senior project controller. The main job of this role is detecting deviations in schedule or cost. Flag all these risks to project manager and senior management. Then comes the hero of the project, that is project manager. Project manager is overall responsible for the project. His main job is integrating all the functions for meeting the project goals. After this, group hierarchy changes to senior management roles. The very first role in this group is for project director. He is basically the sponsor of the project. His main job is facilitating the project manager and help him resolving the issue. He is also responsible for key performance indicators of projects. Then comes the project portfolio manager, who is oversee portfolio of multiple projects of similar nature. Then next seniority comes to program management office head. These roles basically ensure that all the project executed are meeting company policies and standards. Then comes the vice president of project management. His role is to ensure projects are aligned with company long-term objectives and strategy. And topmost role of any projectized organization is chief project officer. And now you know the hierarchy of project management's corporate ladder. Tell me, currently, in which role you are working on or aiming for? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.